Good morning. We are still in Gdansk. We had an amazing night with my friends from Australia and cousins coming over and seeing us and having dinner and lots of drinks. And the best thing about it all is I get to wake up to this. I've been up since probably 6 AM this morning and it's around 7 right now, and I thought I'd come and get myself a coffee, but everything is closed and it's a Thursday. How can everything be closed on a Thursday so early in the morning? Do people not go to work? I mean, there's plenty of people walking around. So there's a Starbucks up here. It opens up at 7:30, so I guess I'll get myself a real Polish Starbucks. And we'll go exploring today. Put the drone up, so I hope you enjoyed the footage. But I mean, look at this. How amazing is this? This is an amazing country. So I can't wait to explore today. I think we've definitely got some good plans today, so stay with us. Subscribe, like, and follow us on this journey. Yeah. Interesting fact, I've bought all this food and it cost me 25 zloty, which is probably around $10. And I bought one Starbucks matcha latte and it cost me $17, which is probably around $6.50. See, it's amazing, you can feed yourself for pretty much the same price as one cup of Starbucks. And I don't know what I did to my finger last night, but look, it's so swollen. There we go. Holy crap. I must have bumped it on something. So we're at Torpedownia, which is where the old Nazi torpedo testing facility was. We were here last year with Mark, so we're just hoping to see it in better weather conditions, but got rain and clouds again. We'll go see it anyway. And here's the military air base. So up ahead is Torpedownia, the secret Nazi testing facility for U-boats and torpedoes. We're at Torpedownia right now, and the Polish special forces are out here training. I think they're doing diving tests or something. So I'm gonna wait for them to leave before I put my drone up and check the place out. But that's really impressive. I'll put a few photos up of the boats that they were in. There's about 4 big speedboats going off now, and there's one blacked out one as well. So there they are in the distance, and one is left over. So the place was used by the Nazis to test torpedoes for the U-boats, and the reason they had Torpedownia here in Gdynia is because it was a perfect location far away from the Allied bombers, and Torpedownia has now fallen apart and all that remains is just a concrete structure. But as I said, the special forces use it for a training base. I don't know what they do, but they're really going up into the distance because Gdansk is just over there and Sopot, and they do have a navy base there. So I think that's where they're going right now when I'm watching them. How's the water, Lemmy? How's the water? Did you touch it?
Really cold.
Cold? That's the Baltic for you. Lemmy's been looking for amber.
Huh?
Show me how much amber you found. Show me one. Oh, amber stone, eh?
Huh?
The Baltic is famous for its amber. So lots of stones, jewelry, all that is made out of it.
I have a mini one.
And you dropped it. Well, that's as far as I'm going. Maybe if it was a bit warmer, I would do it. Come on. This was the old walkway that they used to use to get to the Torpedownia. I know, I can tell your feet are wet. Come on. Did you get wet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on. Oh well, that's life. Come on. Up to here so you can see. There you go. So we're in Gdynia right now, next to the Błyskawica battleship, which defended the coastline of England. This is a really nice area in Poland. We just had fish and chips for lunch and other things as well. Yummy. Got Polish sailboats. And now we're off to get an ice cream and shoot some guns. Because that's what you do when you're here. You get to shoot an AK47. You're not allowed to, but you'll watch. But there's big guns. Put the drone up real quick. So, we don't have time to put the drone up, but we all got cool hats.
I'm the captain, and this is my buddy captain.
Yes.
Yes. And we're higher than these.
Finally, I can sing the YMCA song with pride.
YMCA.
I've got ice cream in my mouth.
In the Navy. I don't even know my own song. Anyway, time to shoot guns.
I'm cold.
You gonna shoot these?
I can't.
You can't, I know. It's a shame.
I want the little one.
I think he's dead.
He's dead.
Dobrze?
No jak tam? Podobało się, dziewczyny?
Did you like it?
Tak.
That was good. Edyta? It was first time? Edyta?
First time.
Yeah, no to trzeba wrócić. We have to come back one more time, every year. I've been waiting a whole year for this. Yes. Cream of mushroom soup. And then Jurek is coming as well. Alright. We've waited all year for this pancake. Are you ready? Are you ready?
So ready.
It's another good night. Another good night in Gdańsk. This is with...
I'm empty.
Yeah, I need another one. Excellent. Alright, well, I'm finishing the vlog because we're about to do shots and it just goes downhill from here. So, na zdrowie.
And you have 5 students have to stump up every morning. And one of the 5 will do the physical, you know?
Good night, everyone.
Yeah, man. It's good for homes.
Tak rozpoczął.
So,